Oh yeah, it's right fucking here.
Do this. Look at my ass.
Oh shit, dude.
Both those bands.
Oh shit. Dude, it's going. Holy shit. Oh shit, dude. It just keeps going, dude. Holy shit, guys. This is insane. Oh my gosh.
There's a bunch of sagging timbers underwater.
It's flowing from here. This is fucking epic.
Yeah.
There's some sagging timbers. Holy shit, it does not stop. What are you?
Yeah, don't fucking touch it.
Don't touch the wall.
You touch anything.
Touch his dick. It could just roll right down on us. Fucking cave us in. That big one's coming.
Imagine if like one just went in and then it just keeps going and plugs the entrance.